Hello friends, welcome to my channel Listen, Read and Write. Today we are talking about animals. Tiger. This is a tiger. Lion. This is a lion. Monkey. This is a monkey. Horse. This is a horse. Dog. This is a dog. Sheep. This is a sheep. Elephant. This is a elephant. Cat. This is a cat. Camel. This is a camel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos.